Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of Better Living Through Fitness. Let's start off with a jog. Here we go. All right. Now we're going to do some jab crosses, punching downward. Really try to activate your back in this. That's what we're targeting. All right, now we're going to do a squat to lunge, just a light one. We're still just warming up, so just a slight bend in the knees. That's all we're doing. Coming back in front. Jumping jacks. Here we go. Make sure you keep your elbows bent. And just a light jump. That's all you need. All right. Hooks. Feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart. And here we go. Keep your elbow at 90 degrees and try to keep your elbow level with your shoulder. All right, ski jumps. This is a little bit different. So we're going to bring our legs closer together. They don't have to be touching, but just closer together. And we're going to jump like that. Pretend you're on a set of skis, about to go on a ramp. So you bend more at the back, slight bend in the knees, and then you jump up. Still just warming up. All right, front kicks. We're shaking our legs. All right, what we're gonna do next is front and side knees, okay? So you do a front knee and then a side knee. Front knee, side knee. Take your time. Focus more on form than repetition. Try to get your form right. Pay attention to how I'm doing it and try to copy that. All right, let's do donkey kicks now. So remember, donkey kicks, you're not kicking straight out. You're gonna keep kind of a bend in your leg and you're kicking more up. Picture somebody's trying to grab your shoe and you decided to kick them in the face while they did it. All right, let's jog it out. All right, 3, 2, 1. Let's get some water and start our stretches. All right, here we go. Arms across our chest. Slight twist in the trunk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now let's go to that chest stretch. Now, most of you guys can use a wall or a rail or whatever's around to do the half surrender stretch that we usually do. But if you don't have anything around like me, you can grab a stick or a broom handle or something like that. And what you do is you're going to stretch. Let's start with this chest. We're going to stretch this side by pulling this arm forward. All right, so I got the stick in the crook of my wrist here. And I'm going to bring it. I've got the stick also on the back of my neck. I bring this arm forward. It's also under the crook of this wrist. And I really focus on that stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it helps, picture yourself as arm wrestling. 7, 8, 9, 10. Kind of feels like you're arm wrestling, like this is the arm that's arm wrestling. 1, 2, and this arm is reaching back for someone to hand you something, like a drink. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you see it? 9, 10. All right. Now, push that away. We're going to stretch our back now. As usual, bending here at the hips. If you want, you can add a slight bend in the back. 1, 2, come up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, lunge. Slight bend in the knee. Hands above your kneecap, pushing your weight through to your heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. Step your foot out, slight bend in the knee. Hands above your kneecap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Quad stretch. Find your balance. 1, 2. I haven't got it yet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's get some water and we'll get started. All right, here we go. Let's start off with those jogs. Just a light drink of water, enough to wet your whistle. All right, going down to the push-ups. As usual, we start off with regular push-ups. Here we go. I like to do mine on my knuckles. Let's do 5 more. Good job. All right, I'm gonna leave this down here. I'm gonna work from over here. We're doing jab, cross, uppers. Jab, cross, uppercut. Jab, cross, uppercut. Make sure you twist your whole body and lift your heel with the punches. All right, going back down, we're gonna do half burpees. So a half burpee means we're not doing a push-up when we go down, and we're not doing the jump when we come up. So, go. Five more seconds. Let's do one more. Good job. All right, next, we're doing a front kick with a punch. So you're kicking with one leg and punching with the other arm at the same time, like that. Since we did those burpees, we're flushing everything out, our arms and our legs. You'll be using the opposite arm to opposite leg so that your balance is easier to maintain. All right, going back down. Now we're gonna do reverse sit-ups. Some of you know what these are. I'm gonna use a weight to hold myself. And what you're doing is you're keeping your legs up like this. And you're gonna bring them all the way in like that and extend them back out. If this is too hard, feel free to just keep your feet down like this and then just lift them up like a reverse crunch instead of a full-on reverse sit-up. And if you don't have a weight, you don't have to come all the way up either. You can go out and then like that. Your goal is to just get your butt to curl off the ground. There we go. All right, coming back up to jog. Here we go. Three, two, one. All right, we're going back down to push-ups, or this time we're going to do a narrow push-ups. We don't usually do this, because I don't particularly like them. But whereas usually you kind of run into a wall, now we're gonna keep our elbows close to our body while we do the push-ups. Here we go. If you can't do this, feel free to go back to that normal stance, or if you want to try it and keep your knees on the ground, feel free to do that. Like this. 5 more seconds. All right, there we go. Now, back up to the jab cross uppers. Ain't much of a break though, because we're going back down to those burpees here in a second. Full burpees though, with push-ups and jumps. One more. All right, here we go. Going down for those full burpees. So, down, push up, jump. Ooh. Let's do one more. Good job. All right, next we got, we're gonna kick with the punch again, and we're gonna add a little bit of hop to it this time. So, kind of like you're jumping, it's just a little hop. It's almost like a dance move. Pretty sure this is actually a dance move. All right, going back down for those reverse sit-ups. Here we go. Let's give it 3 more. There we go. Good job. All right. Here we go. High knee right. Let's go. Five more seconds. Good job, we did it. Great job, everybody. Let's start our stretches. Start with lunge. Hold that for 20 seconds. All right, turn it out into a side lunge. Forward lunge, other side. Side lunge. All right, let's bend over and stretch our back. Let's get that half surrender. Start with the other side. Other side. Arms across your chest. Slight twist in the trunk. All right, other side. He's gonna sit there in the whole video like this. I didn't realize you're in the shot, aren't you? All right, stretch your quads. Oh, other side. My bad. I got somebody watching me, so I'm nervous now. All right. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for sticking through all the way till the end. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like and subscribe and the notification bell. And I'll be bringing these every Monday and Wednesday, Friday. But I think that's going to end this week, and I'm going to start doing it on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays instead. But you guys have a good one.